Hello guys, this is the all-new Tecno Camon 17 Pro. The version I have here with me comes with 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, a whopping 48MP selfie camera. That's interesting. It's the clearest selfie camera according to Tecno, not me. The main camera, however, is a 64MP camera. The display has a 90Hz refresh rate.
What's the display type?
It's an IPS LCD panel. It has a 5000 mAh battery with a 25 watts fast charger, and powering this device is the MediaTek Helio G95 processor. Okay, the Tecno Camon 17 Pro is packing some serious specs, but before I tell you more about the smartphone, let me show you what you get in the box and also what you get when you purchase this device. Now, when you buy the Tecno Camon 17 Pro, you get a free set of earbuds. The earbuds are called TecnoBud One. They are super easy to connect to your smartphone. They sound really good and they look modern and fashionable. They look really familiar, but they sound really good, and that's all that matters. Now, back to the smartphone. This color is called Ice Silver. It doesn't look bad at all. Inside the box, it comes with a warranty card, a TPU case that fits this smartphone perfectly. It also comes with a 25.3 watts fast charger, earphones, a micro USB Type-C cable, and a SIM removal tool. There isn't a screen protector inside the box. Not to worry, a film screen protector has already been applied on the display. Now, for the build quality, the Tecno Camon 17 Pro has a plastic frame. The edge of this smartphone is easy to hold thanks to the 3.5D rear design. For the rear, Tecno says it's organic glass. Let's test that out real quick. No, it isn't glass. It is made from plastic, and it's not just any type of plastic, but a plastic that is smooth to touch and is also fingerprint and drop resistant. Oh yes. Now, for some of you, this may be hard to watch, but as a reviewer, I have to do this scientific test to determine if a smartphone is durable, and yes, the Tecno Camon 17 Pro is drop resistant. Good job, Tecno. What about water resistance? Well, it doesn't have an official IP rating. When you take out the dual SIM card tray and the memory card slot, you see a gasket that helps to keep water out of the smartphone. All I know is when I submerge it inside water, nothing happens, so yes, that's a plus. As for the display, it doesn't seem to be protected with Corning Gorilla Glass, and as always, I'll advise you to get a plastic screen protector to properly make this smartphone drop resistant. So guys, if you found this video to be useful so far, a sub to the channel will be electrifying. For the external features, wait a minute, is that a secondary microphone I see over there at the top? Oh my goodness, Tecno, thank you for finally including one. I'm tempted to say this is the first device from Tecno with a secondary mic. It's a big deal, guys, because the secondary microphone helps with noise cancellation when you're making a call. It also improves the audio quality when you're making phone calls, and it improves the audio when you're shooting a video with this smartphone. Now let's go around this smartphone real quick. On the left side, it comes with a dual nano SIM card tray and a memory card slot. At the bottom, you will find the 3.5mm audio jack, the main microphone, a USB Type-C port, and one of the speakers. Yes, the Tecno Camon 17 Pro comes with dual stereo speakers. The other speaker is located at the top and it sounds really good. Moving to the right side, you will find the volume up and down buttons and the power button. The power button doubles as the fingerprint scanner and is fast and instant. It is faster than the Redmi Note 10 Pro as it doesn't have any unlock animation to slow it down. Moving to the rear, the Tecno Camon 17 Pro comes with a quad camera setup. It comes with a 64MP main camera, an 8MP ultra wide camera that doubles as the macro camera. It has a 2MP depth camera and a 2MP mono camera. Beside the cameras is the LED flashlight. Switching to the front, it has a 48MP front-facing camera, the clearest selfie camera camera. I'll be showing you samples taken with the camera, so stay tuned for that. For the display, the Tecno Camon 17 Pro comes with a 6.8-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 1080p by 2460 pixels. The display has a refresh rate of 90Hz and a touch sampling rate of 180Hz. It's a bright display with peak brightness at 500 nits, and using this smartphone outdoors shouldn't be a problem. Like I said earlier, it's a 1080p display, so watching movies on this device will be enjoyable thanks to the large display and the dual stereo speakers. Tecno should have used an AMOLED display on the Tecno Camon 17 Pro considering the price of this device. Performance is one area where the Tecno Camon 17 Pro excels. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G95 processor. Do not sleep on this smartphone. It is bloody fast. It is faster than the Samsung Galaxy A52 with the Snapdragon 720G processor, and in some cases it's faster than the Redmi Note 10 Pro with the Snapdragon 732G processor. I know, benchmark results don't translate to how smartphones perform in the real world, and I have a feeling that this smartphone will take down the Redmi Note 10 Pro in terms of performance, that is. Would you like to see a comparison between these two smartphones? Let me know in the comment section below. Now for multitasking, the Tecno Camon 17 Pro comes with 8GB of RAM. Multitasking isn't an issue for this device. It can hold a lot of apps in the background and retain them, unlike some other smartphones. For gaming, the Tecno Camon 17 Pro comes with the Mali G76 GPU, which helps in rendering graphics-intensive games. It played PUBG at HD graphics and high frame rate. Genshin Impact played at high graphics settings, which I wasn't expecting, but the phone did get warm. This just shows how well optimized the MediaTek Helio G95 processor and the Mali G76 GPU are. For the operating system, the Tecno Camon 17 Pro is running on Android 11 with iOS version 7.6.0. Apart from the standard features available on other smartphones, it has Peak Proof, which is a privacy feature that makes it hard for someone next to you to read your screen. It has a game mode that allows you to record your gameplay and customize the volume up and down buttons and other features. Now, photos from the 48 megapixel front-facing camera are decent. Portrait shots look okay. Tecno says it's the clearest selfie camera. What's your take on that? I'll be doing more tests, so stay tuned for my full review. Hello guys, so here's a video from the front-facing camera of the Tecno Camon 17 Pro. You can shoot in 4K. Yes, the front camera can shoot in 4K, 30 frames per second. So what do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality coming up from Tecno Camon 17 Pro? Let me know in the comment section below. The 64 megapixel main camera at the rear takes very good pictures. Here are samples captured using it. The 8 megapixel ultra wide camera is okay, and here's a picture using the 2 megapixel monochrome camera. Okay guys, right now I'm shooting in 4K 30 frames per second. Yeah, the rear camera of the Tecno Camon 17 Pro can shoot in 4K 30 frames per second. It's looking really good. The video quality is really looking good in 4K. What do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality coming out from the Tecno Camon 17 Pro? Now in 4K it doesn't have image or video stabilization, so yeah, if you want that you need to downscale to 1080p 30 frames per second. Now, the Tecno Camon 17 Pro has a 5000 mAh battery inside it. It will definitely last the entire day. It took 1 hour 35 minutes to charge this smartphone from 0 to 100%, which isn't bad considering the size of the battery. I know you want more, but this is just my initial impressions video of the Tecno Camon 17 Pro. It's priced at 125,000 Naira or $226, and this smartphone is competing with smartphones like the Redmi Note 10 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy A52. I'll be comparing it with those smartphones, so subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that video. Thank you for watching. We've come to the end of this video and I will see you guys soon. Balo, signing out.